How to make Snapchat dark mode. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make dark mode on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make your Snapchat in dark mode, first of all make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Then open the Snapchat app. You can currently see that I'm on the light mode. So from here, tap your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, then tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side. Simply scroll down and here you'll find an option that says app appearance. Tap on the app appearance tab. Now here you can select custom or you can select always dark. So when you select always dark, you'll be able to restart the Snapchat app, and this time you can see it is successfully set to dark mode. If you want to reset it, you can go ahead and then do so as well. This way you'll be able to make Snapchat dark mode. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.